Good morning. 10:02 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Thursday, August 24th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So let's take a look at XRP. As XRP, let's let this load in real quick, and we'll take a very close look here as we're still above state, right around the 200-day support. We had a short term where it looked like we were starting to break out, but we continue in this long leg doji for today's daily, which means we're squeezed here right now, ladies and gentlemen. We went up to 532, came down to 521. In the middle right now is about 525. That's just over the daily support. Right now we're just under it, so we'll see how this daily candle plays out. But in the immediate short term, we consolidated here a little bit, which is okay. I still think we need to come up for the daily time frame. It's about a 9% move from here. I think we need to validate this bearish bias here. And it should bring us up here to this crossing point, right around 57.3. We could be targeting 60 cents because in the 4-hour time frame, if we come up there, that's the 200-day resistance. So if we come up to 57.3, most likely we might have an overextension up to about 598. That's why I keep targeting that area. That's if we break up. Right now, we do have a W reversal formed, but right now in the 4-hourly, we broke down a little bit, down to about 519 to start this candle. We're at 521, and we'll see if we're just doing some liquidity sweep here. If, we reverse very quickly here. It's expected that you should have a 9% move here, but if you continue to break down and validate this formation, as you just had a 20 recross to 200, so this pattern could have short-term flipped on us. So we need to be cautiously optimistic. So our first goal here is to get back above 524 and hold that in the immediate short term. A catalyst playing against us coming back down is because the US dollar currency index came back up, pushed through the 103.66. And now we're going to see if it's using it as support or if this was a quick fake out. In the short term, it did a quick reversal. If you look at a smaller term, we pulled this back up from having a bearish cross. Same thing with the 1-hourly. So we need to see if this is sustainable or if this is just another short-term move up as the US dollar is trying to have a short-term impact, have a little bit of a misdirection. So 103.66, if we do hold that and we rise up, 105.30 is the next level. But we'll see if we have any substance here for sustainability. We've got Bitcoin this morning down to $86. It still looks like it's trying to set up for a wider move. Like this is a little fake out this morning. That looks like a W reversal set. That swing low is 25,371, and then the target we had down here is 25,194. I think I deleted it yesterday in the live on accident. Close enough. That was my technical move, but if we moved it up just a little bit from the 200-day resistance in the 4-hour or the 2-hourly, it actually measured down perfectly at 25,371. So we'll see if this has sustainability. If we're trying to come back up, we're trying to show support on this bullish cross here. Yes, it came down for liquidity, but it looks like it should continue this move up. You can see the bullish cross on the 2-hourly. So it very well could have been a shuffle this morning as a little bit of a shakeout before another move up, because that's what it looks like we're trying to do in the daily. It looks like you'd come up and test this crossing point that's about to happen. It's imminent for this death cross. So I expect Bitcoin back up at 27,000 area in the short order to try to either reject this or return this pattern formation. So that's what I'm looking at for there. So in regards to XRP, I still anticipate XRP to have this retest of this bearish cross up here. That's what I'm paying attention to, right around 57 cents, 57.5 right now. I fully anticipate a retest there until a further breakdown, but that doesn't mean it has to happen. That just means that's my anticipation. So I'm expecting about a 10% move from here, 9.5, 10% to retest that breakout point. So I think XRP is actually setting up here for that. Now, whether or not it plays true, that's another story. We have a long leg doji for the daily time frame, which means we're very indecisive in this area. We had to move down. We're showing that we didn't have enough strength to move down, and now we're trying to get some liquidity out. So we'll see. This daily candle close tonight is going to be an important one. We'll see if we can maintain 524 if we push back up towards the 53 cent mark. I'll be live at 7:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, bringing us into this daily the daily candle close. And if you're looking to see the Brick Summit, I'm going to cover that again today. I'll record it, or I'll play it And once we're satisfied with the playthrough, you can watch it live with me. At least for us in the USA, even though it's already happened around the world. So I'll be doing that at about 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to set it up. I'm going to take a shower right after this, and then we're going to cover it. And we'll be on for about an hour and a half as we look for it. So right now, we're looking for XRP. We're looking for a move. We're looking to see if we can get some kind of support here. We're trying to get back on top of 524. And then ultimately try to finish this move up. The first move to about 543. It's actually a little closer than that, about 54 cents. And then ultimately, I'm looking for this to finish off and validate this daily, the bearish cross here that happened in the daily time frame. I'm looking to validate this before a major dump or a major rally. I want to see us either get rejected or break back over this area at 573. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, please, please, please make sure to hit that like button. Consider joining Tom's Army. And also, subscribe to the channel with more than 18,200 subscribers if you want to see future content.